Today, we will talk about the Industrial Revolution definition, history, pros, and cons. The Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in the mid-18th and early 19th centuries and later spread throughout much of the world. The British Industrial Revolution was dominated by the exploitation of coal and iron. The American Industrial Revolution, known as the Second Industrial Revolution, began during the Gilded Age in the 1870s and continued through World War II. It saw the mechanization of agriculture and manufacturing and the introduction of new modes of transportation. The Industrial Revolution left a profound impact on how people lived and the way businesses operated. It led to the development of factory systems, capitalism, and modern cities. It also led to improved production efficiency and lowered product prices, making products more accessible to a new level of customers. The United States government helped domestic industry by instituting tariffs on foreign imported goods, encouraging the development of infrastructure like railroads and bridges. The Industrial Revolution created an increase in employment opportunities, higher wages, and population migration to urban areas. It also led to increased innovation, higher levels of education, and groundbreaking inventions. The rapid progress caused issues such as a food production shortage, increased urban pollution, deplorable living conditions, and child labor. It also led to long working hours, inadequate remuneration, and health issues for many factory workers. Key innovations that took place during the Industrial Revolution include the building of the first cotton mill, the completion of the first transcontinental railroad, the creation of the telegraph, the development of steel mills, and the invention of the telephone. The Industrial Revolution shifted societies from an agrarian economy to a manufacturing economy where products were made by machines, leading to increased efficiency, lower prices, improved wages, and urbanization. The First Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in the mid to late 1700s. The Second Industrial Revolution began in the U.S. in the late 1800s. Technological changes, new energy sources, and the factory system led to a division of labor and specialization, increasing efficiency. Key inventions of the Industrial Revolution include the steam engine, spinning jenny, cotton gin, telegraph, internal combustion engine, controlled electricity, and the light bulb. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The First Industrial Revolution began in Great Britain in the 1700s and 1800s and was a time of significant innovation. 2. The American Industrial Revolution followed in the late 19th century and was an engine of economic growth in the U.S. 3. The Industrial Revolution led to inventions that included the assembly line, telegraph, steam engine, sewing machine, and internal combustion engine. 4. Working for businesses during the Industrial Revolution paid better wages than agricultural work. 5. The increase in the number of factories and migration to the cities led to pollution, deplorable working and living conditions, and child labor. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.